We're out at Allans House, one of our AirBnBs, and we made a few changes, and then we got this year's first 8-person booking, so they left yesterday, so that was good. And yeah, so we're going to make a few we made a few improvements since I last recorded a video out here, and then we're considering putting up more cameras. So we have a camera here that points at the entrance, but what we were considering was to put a second camera here and then put camera over here that points this direction and one that points this direction. So that would be like 4 cameras instead of the only one right now. Anyways, I'm Pelle, and yeah, we talk about Airbnb and real estate on this channel. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to the channel. So this is an old house. So the thing so far has been that the house had like glasses and cups and some different plates. And then what I did yesterday was that I was in Ikea, so you can buy a box of these for 39 Danish crowns, so that's around €5 or $5 in Ikea, and then you get 6 of these, so 6 small ones and 6 big ones, yeah, for €5 for a box. And then I bought some of these plates. So we were arguing yesterday that like they feel cheap, but then we're like looking at the reviews and we were talking to the guests, and then it seems like they don't really care. And these plates are like 70 cents each, so they're like very cheap. So like, yeah, it's like nothing. And then what we did is that we moved a sleeping couch inside here, so it's there. And then we changed the internet, so now it has a QR code, so people can just take their camera and then they are online. So that is much smarter. And yeah, we upgraded the internet. So now it's 6E internet, 5G. Before it was 5G, but it wasn't 6E. And then we are making a few changes upstairs too. So we added another bed here, a small one, and then we moved the sleeping couch over here. The idea is to move the sleeping couch to another house and then get another bed that we're not really sure about the arrangement, but I think will be 2 small beds over there and then the larger one over here. Yeah, and then we have the new Wi-Fi boxes down there. It's pretty cool because now, that's my wife, Sean. Because like right now, when we have the new box, then with the 6E, then the internet is working in the garden and over there in the garage. So before it wasn't working over there. So you see like, here I have the camera, so we can see like, it records this area. So the thing I wanted was that I actually wanted like a little bit more coverage over here too. So there could be a second camera up here that would be pointing in this direction. So that's a good spot, right? Because then I have this side over here and I have this side over here. Yeah, then I would just need like 2 more cameras over there. Then we have like complete coverage of the entire area. So, yeah, and this is the view if you haven't been here. So I think the view is amazing. So yeah. Anyways, I better help my wife clean up the house and make it ready. And yeah. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe to the video, give the video a like.